Iraqi Dinar News, breaking updates for January 8th, 2025. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Iraqi Dinar News, where we bring you the most reliable updates on the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong. I hope you're all doing great today. May you be blessed with happiness and prosperity. Without further ado, let's dive into the breaking news and updates for January 8th, 2025. Today's headline: Prime Minister Mohammed Shia Al-Sudani has made a significant announcement regarding Iraq's ongoing monetary reforms. This statement is already making waves in the financial and investment communities, especially among those closely monitoring the revaluation RV potential of the Iraqi dinar. PM Al-Sudani's major announcement, a game changer for Iraq. In a televised speech today, Prime Minister Al-Sudani addressed the nation and international investors, presenting a bold and strategic roadmap for Iraq's economy. His announcement focused on three critical areas. 1. Strengthening the Iraqi dinar. 2. Boosting citizens' purchasing powers. 3. Reducing the country's dependency on the US dollars. Al-Sudani emphasized that these measures are not only about stabilizing the currency, but are also part of a broader initiative to establish Iraq as a robust player in the global economy. The era of dependency is over. Iraq is moving forward with determination to empower its people and establish a self-reliant economy, Al-Sudani stated. Key highlights of Al-Sudani's speech. 1. Strengthening the Iraqi dinar. The Prime Minister announced aggressive steps to stabilize and eventually increase the value of the Iraqi dinar. The government, in collaboration with the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, aims to phase out artificial controls over the exchange rate, allowing market dynamics to play a more significant role. Al-Sudani underscored his administration's commitment to enhancing the dinar's value to directly improve living standards and purchasing power for Iraqi citizens. 2. Reducing dollar dependency. Iraq is taking a monumental step by reducing reliance on the US dollar in domestic and international transactions. The government is promoting the use of the dinar for oil revenues and trade. Our future lies in the strength of our own currency. By reducing dollarization, we are building a more resilient and independent economy, Al-Sudani declared. 3. Introducing smaller denominations. In line with ongoing monetary reforms, the government plans to introduce smaller denomination banknotes. These notes are expected to simplify daily transactions and signify Iraq's readiness for a stronger currency. This development has further fueled speculation about an impending revaluation RV of the dinar. Financial experts and intel gurus weigh in. Frank 26 Intel guru, Frank 26, noted that Al-Sudani's speech aligns with recent observations from financial institutions. He highlighted that major international banks like Chase are positioning themselves for potential dinar-related transactions post-RV. This announcement shows Iraq is serious about its economic reforms. It's no longer a question of if, but when, Frank said. Walking stick. Walking Stick praised Al-Sudani's emphasis on boosting citizens' purchasing power, calling it unprecedented in the region. No other leader in Iraq's history has been this direct and transparent about enhancing the dinar's value, he commented. Militiaman highlighted the role of international auditing firms in ensuring transparency in Iraqi banks, a crucial step for Iraq's integration into the global financial system. Currency auctions, a thing of the past. One of the most significant changes tied to Al-Sudani's announcement is the end of Iraq's long-standing currency auctions. These auctions were previously central to stabilizing the economy, but were criticized for fostering corruption. Iraqi banks must now source foreign currency through international markets using methods like currency swaps, signaling Iraq's commitment to operating as a modern, market-driven economy. Impact on stakeholders for investors. The introduction of smaller denominations and the move toward a market-driven currency system strongly indicate a potential RV. International banks are already preparing for this scenario, with experts suggesting it's only a matter of time. For Iraqi citizens, enhanced purchasing power means that Iraqis will be able to buy more with their money, improving living standards. A stable economy will create jobs, attract foreign investments, and reduce inflation. For the global economy, Iraq's reduced dependency on the dollar could impact international trade, particularly in the oil sector. Additionally, Iraq's integration into global financial markets strengthens its position as a key player in the Middle East. Challenges ahead. Despite these promising reforms, challenges remain. Transitioning to a market-driven currency system requires strong oversight and time. Al-Sudani acknowledged the need to ensure these changes bring tangible benefits to the public to maintain support. A historical turning point, Al-Sudani's announcement is being hailed as a historic milestone for Iraq. By addressing long-standing economic challenges head-on, the Prime Minister is paving the way for a brighter future. The Iraqi dinar is not just a currency, it's a symbol of our sovereignty and potential. Together, we will unlock its true value, Al-Sudani concluded. Closing thoughts. As Iraq undergoes this significant transformation, the future of the Iraqi dinar has never looked brighter. These reforms are poised to reshape Iraq's economic landscape and potentially impact the global financial system. Thank you for tuning in to Iraqi Dinar News. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay informed, and God bless.